When I first found this heavily rusted 100-year-old artifact, it was completely unrecognizable. It looked like an impossible puzzle of solid corrosion, buried under a century of oxidation, grime, and neglect. Most people would have shown spirit into a sharp metal dome of an mechanics locked inside. I knew right away that I had to take it apart and solve the mystery hidden beneath all that rust. The first step was tackling the heavy exterior corrosion. I submerged the entire object into a specialized chemical bath to break down the thick rust layers without damaging whatever was underneath. As the chemical reaction worked its magic, the true outline of the mechanism began to show through for the first time in ages. But the real challenge was freeing the internal parts. Every single gear, lever, and joint was completely fused together. Forcing anything meant risking breaking a century-old component that can never be replaced. So I used penetrating fluid, gentle heat, and hours of patience to carefully separate every single piece. Once everything was fully disassembled, the deep cleaning and micro-polishing phase began. I hand-cleaned every single groove, thread, and gear, removing vessels and bakes and glasses, washing the blood, corroded metal, slowly transforming into a flawless, mirror-like finish, infusing the most satisfying part of the whole process. As the shining steel and brass details emerged, the precision engineering behind this unknown object became clearer and clearer and clearer dot. Now came the final assembly. Putting a 100-year-old puzzle back together required complete accuracy to make sure every gear and joint moved smoothly. After applying successive lubricants and tightening the final screw, the hidden mechanism was finally fully restored. Dot looked at this incredible transformation. From a completely unrecognizable chunk of rusted scrap to a pristine, fully organized moving the levers quick and satisfying mechanical sound. But the big question remains, what do you think this mystery object was originally used for? Drop your wildest theories in the comments below.